What's up guys, it's your boy Dwayne Howell back at it again with another video, another vlog, another experiment. So for today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng NOR gate. So basically dalawang figure yung gagawin natin, dalawang circuit. So let's get it. So this is our equipments and materials. So 5 volts DC power supply, 1 piece 74LS02. This is our NOR gate. 1 piece 74LS04. This is our NOT gate. 1 piece 74LS32. This is our OR gate. 1 piece 5mm red LED. 1 piece 1/2 watts 220 ohms resistor, 2 SPDT toggle switch, jumper wires, of course our breadboard, pliers or long nose, optional lang to kung gusto nyo. Let's start mga buddy. So sa figure A natin, ang kailangan lang natin is isang IC, which is C NOR gate 74LS02. So kapit natin. So yan, nakabit na natin. So, basic schematic diagram natin. Si LED ay nakakabit kay number 1. So, kabit natin siya. So, si resistor muna ay kabit natin kasi masyadong mahaba may sisilid. Pwede naman magkapaliktad yan. Same lang yun. So, next natin si LED. Positive side. So, yan. Nakabit na natin. And then, sa negative side ni LED, we will put jumper wires. Connect it to the ground. So mamaya natin connect sa ground pag okay na. So let's put our SPDT switch, dalawa. Let's put it here. So based sa schematic diagram natin, same procedure pa rin pag magkakabit ng jumper wires kay switch. So the middle pin is connected to the number 2 of the pin of the IC. So sa first switch, yung middle pin niya i-connect natin kay second pin ng IC. And then sa second switch, ikakabit natin tong jumper wire and i-connect natin sa number 3 ni IC. So yan, nakakonect na natin. So si first switch naman first pin ng switch is connected to the positive side. So let's connect. So connect na natin siya sa power supply natin para hindi na tayo magkalituhan. So ayan. And then yung third pin is connected to the ground or the negative side of the power supply. So same procedure lang sa gaya ng mga nakaraan nating experiment. So yan, connected na siya. Connect na rin natin to. It's ground. So sa 14 pin ni IC, connected si positive ng power supply. So yan, connected na siya. So yun yung last step natin for our figure A. So let's try to plug in. Open natin to. So naka-open na siya. So, as you can see, both of our input is 1. So our output will be 0. So based sa truth table, palitan natin ng 0 yung input natin. Both 0. Yan. Naging 1 yung output natin. Let's change it to 1. The input A to 1 and our input B is still 0. So our output will be 0. Let's change our input A to 0 and our input B to 1. So yan, yung output natin is 0 pa rin. Let's change our inputs to 1. So yan, the output will be 0. So yan si figure A natin. As you can see, OR gate. So figure A is done. So let's proceed to figure B. So as you can see, the schematic diagram, napalitan si NOR gate ng dalawang IC na pinagsamang OR and NOT gate. So alisin natin yung mga components natin. So let's remove. Tanggal muna. So probably ito lang yung mga matitirang components kasi papalitan natin yung IC natin. So based sa schematic diagram, mauuna si 74LS32. So kabit natin siya, mga body. So, oops, baliktad siya, body. Baka masira ang components natin. Ingat-ingat na lang mga body. So yan, nakabit na natin si 74LS32. Next natin si 74LS04 or si NOT gate. So mag-iwan tayo ng space, mga dalawang holes. Kasi pangit naman tignan pag masyadong magkadikit. Baka hindi pag gumana yung circuit mo. So ayan, may space siya, dalawang butas as you can see. So let's proceed. So based sa schematic diagram, si pin number 3 ng 74LS32 natin and si pin number 1 ng 74LS04 natin is connected. So kuha tayo ng jumper wires, ganyan lang kadali para maging connected sila, and then let's put it to 74LS04. Yan, connected na sila. And then our next step is si switch. So 1 and 2. So switch number 1 is connected to number 1, pin number 1 ni 74LS32. So magkatabi lang sila lagi ni switch 2 pag dalawa yung switch nyo. So yan, pag ikakabit nyo sa IC. So di naman lagi magkadikit. So lagi nyo check yung schematic diagram nya. Kasi pag nagkamali kayo ng kabit, baka masira yung mga components. Mag-ingat lang tayo para walang hassle sa gawa natin. So yan. So si number 2 pin ni 74LS04 connected doon si LED. So kukonect natin si LED, mga body. Ayan, mga body, na-connect na natin. So syempre, pag na-connect mo na si LED, isusunod mo si resistor. So lagi silang magkadikit. So go-connect natin here. Pag nahirapan kayo magkapit ng components, I recommend to use long nose pliers para makabit siya ng maayos. Ayan. So our next step is si ground. So i-connect natin sa number 7, pin number 7 ni NOT gate. And then ko-connect natin dito sa negative side. Si number 14 ng 74LS32 mo kay positive. So ganun din si 74LS04 natin, connected din siya kay positive. So yun yung nakalagay sa schematic diagram natin. So susundin natin. Make sure din na tama ang pagkakalagay kasi baka masira ang mga components natin. So let's try. Of our input is 1. So our output is 0 or low. So let's change it to 0. Our input to 0. So yan. As you can see, our output is 1. Based sa truth table, both of our input is 0. So our output will be 1. So let's change our input A to 1. So yan, our output will be 0. So let's change our input B to 1. So yan, our output will be 0 if our input is 1 and 0. So let's change it, our input to 1. Both of our input to 1. Let's try. So yan, our input is 1 and our output is 0. So that's the end of our figure B. So our end of topic today, or experiment. So I hope you learned something today in our experiment.